Hello students, this is the question series 11 of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. And this is the 11 part. So here we will start with the question number 51. So question number 51, anemophily type of pollination. Anemophily type of pollination. Anemophily type of pollination is found in first one option, that is salvia. The B option, bottle brush. The C option, that is Vallisneria, and the D option, that is coconut. So here these are the different options. So anemophily means by the wind pollinated. So the correct answer is coconut. And here we will find the salvia. Salvia is really insect pollinated, and this Vallisneria is pollinated by the, that is your water, and bottle brush by the birds, or particularly ornithophily we can tell also. So this is the correct answer. Wind is coconut. So then 52, question number 52, 8 nucleate embryo. 8 nucleate embryo sacs are. First option, that is always tetrasporic. B option, always monosporic. C option, that is always bisporic. And D option is sometimes monosporic, sometime bisporic, and sometime tetrasporic. So really this option is correct, because when the megaspore mother cells will divide, that is 2n, it produces the linear tetrads of megaspore having n haploids. So out of, in case of monosporic, 3 will degenerate, 1 will give rise to embryo sac. Bisporic, 2 remain, 2 degenerated. In tetrasporic, no one directly gives rise to the embryo sac. So the correct answer is, that is sometime monosporic, sometime bisporic, and sometime tetrasporic. Question number 53, double fertilization leading to double fertilization leading to initiation of endosperm in angiosperms require the A option, that is fusion of one polar nucleus and the second male gamete only, B option, fusion of two polar nuclei and the second male gamete and C option is fusion of four or more polar nuclei and the second male gamete only, and D option is all the above kinds of fusion in different angiosperms. So it is very important, the double fertilization means we have already discussed in our class videos. So one is, this is the secondary nuclei and here the ovum is there, two male gametes, one fuses with the secondary nuclei or the two polar nuclei and other with the ovum. So this results into pen and this results into the zygote. So here the correct answer is fusion of two polar nuclei and the second male gamete. So here we can discuss, so this leading to initiation of endosperm. So this endosperm is here the primary endosperm nucleus. So this is because of the one secondary nuclei or two polar nuclei with the second male gamete. Fusion of two polar nuclei with the second male gametes leading to formation of primary endosperm nucleus. Then the question number 54. So the question number 54, flowers showing ornithophyly. So few characteristics like A option, blue flower with nectaries, blue flowers with nectaries at base of corolla. base of corolla. B option, that is red sweet scented red sweet scented flower with nectaris. C option, that is bright red flower bright red flower into thick inflorescence. And the D option, white flowers with fragrance. So here the question is flower showing ornithophily. Ornitho means the birds pollinated. So mainly all these options out of this, they must have that is your red sweet scented flowers with the nectaris. So this is the correct answer, because the flower contains abundant nectar and should have edible part. For that, the birds pollinate these flowers. Then the next question is 55. How many pollen grains will be formed after meiotic division in 10 microspore mother cells. So A option is 10, B option is 20, C is 40, and D is 80. So we know that 1 microspore mother cell gives rise to 4. So automatically 10 will produce that is 40 numbers of pollen grains are formed. So this is the correct answer. So this is all about the part 11 of the question series, sexual reproduction in flowering plants.